problem you're facing in business today.
Getting the customer's attention. I mean, how do I stay relevant? I feel like our brand gets drowned out by all the noise.
Customer expectations have skyrocketed and we're struggling to keep up. You have to surprise your customers in this hyper-competitive world and constantly go above and beyond.
As a leader, I need to stay in touch with my stakeholders, be it customers, employees, you name it. But I absolutely have zero time, so I need an easy solution to communicate effectively.
How can you tackle these challenges? Introducing BHuman. BHuman is a unique AI that clones your face and voice and then generates thousands of video messages for you. There are just 2 simple steps. First, record a template video. BHuman then creates hyper-personalized videos that look and feel completely real, so you can communicate at scale. Now send video messages wherever your customers are: email, SMS, LinkedIn, social media, and more. Connect with clients in a human way they're going to actually care about.
Hello Martin, hello Anna, hello Maria.
And most importantly, get better results.
Whoa, I didn't know it'd be so useful.
Hey, that's so cool.
That's an amazing solution. Can't wait to try it. Where can I sign in?
Did you know that 53% of adults say that finance makes them feel anxious? What does that mean for you in the financial services? That you've already got an uphill battle when it comes to building customer relationships and maintaining that all-important trust. That brings me on to what we're doing at BHuman to create an innovative video solution to your communications with customers. We create personal video messages that feel like a genuine human conversation. From just one video clip, we can create an unlimited number of personalized versions of that video for your customers. Can you begin to imagine how this is transforming finance communications? I'm going to talk you through our top 5 uses for BHuman videos in the finance sector. Firstly, we can help you provide all-important customer support by creating personalized videos for tickets that can be answered easily with on-hand information. You'll be reducing wait time for customers and saving your resources and staff time for more complex and challenging cases where your team need to be focused. On top of that, receiving a personal video message in response to a query helps your customers feel valued and cared for. Secondly, we find that one of the main reasons customers find finances a bit scary is because they don't really understand them. So why not use our personal video solution to create educational and supportive materials for your customers? You could use our videos to talk people through their goals, their options, make them feel secure in their finances, and let them know that they can trust you. Next up, we could generate a recommendation engine for your website. This tool asks your website visitors a few questions about their lifestyle and their goals, and will send a personalized recommendation video to their inbox or to their phone, letting them know which card or which program is right for them. A personal video will automatically engage that user and encourage them to choose that card or program with you. You could also create video templates to promote things like loans or special offers to your customers in a really hands-on and personal way. This video will let your customers know that they're valued, that they're cared for, and will help to nurture your customer relationships. And finally, why not use one of our videos when you need to update your investors? One video template can be personalized an unlimited number of times for all of your investors, all the while putting a real face and a name to your company. Throughout all of our use cases, this kind of personal approach makes your customers and your investors feel special, and it's so important. It's what's going to build trust in your operations and in your company name. I promise you, you're not going to want to miss out on this opportunity for building loyalty and connection into all of your customer communications. So sign up today. You just need to head to our website at bhuman.ai to create an account, and you can start generating your own personalized videos straight away. We can't wait to see you there.